all, welcome back to my channel. I am Smriti Singhal and I make videos on fashion styling and beauty hacks. Today's video is going to be one of the fashion styling videos. This is for all those who feel that they are curvier, 2020 has made them curvier, or they have become fatter or healthier, whatever is it, and you do not feel confident anymore as to what to wear. मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा मैं क्या पहनूं, मेरे ऊपर कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता है. I have gone through this, okay, because 2020 has definitely made me curvier than I used to be before, okay, and that's why I am thinking of making 3 videos, okay, wherein I will tell you what you can wear if you have a curvy body, okay. If I talk about myself, I used to be 61, 62, now I am 66, 67 kgs, okay. I have definitely gained 5 to 6 kgs, which is definitely not good, and obviously I think it will take me a lot of time to reduce this fat because I'm lazy, I know that, but I cannot compromise on styling at all. So I came up with few tips and tricks that will definitely make me not look fatter at all. Okay, so I'm going to make 3 videos, part 1, part 2 and part 3. So part 1 and part 2 will be dedicated to the types of clothes that you can buy, and part 3 will be the styling part, okay, wherein I will tell you how to style and mix and match the clothes you have, okay. So let's start with the video. I'm very excited and I'm sure these 5 tricks that I'm going to tell you are going to help you a lot in terms of buying new clothes. So let's get started.
Whenever you buy a spaghetti, always buy a spaghetti जिसका आर्म होल बड़ा होता है. राइट हैंड साइड में यू विल सी मैंने जो स्पैगेटी पहना है उसका आर्म होल छोटा है, जिसकी वजह से आपका जो अंडर आर्म फैट है वो बहुत ज़्यादा हाईलाइट हो रहा है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू लुक फैटर. ओके, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में यू सी आई लुक स्लिमर एंड राइट हैंड साइड में आई लुक फैटर. Whenever you buy any lower other than jeans, please make sure that you buy something that is solid or has good prints other than vertical or horizontal lines. In the right hand side, you will see that I am wearing a pant which has horizontal lines, okay, which is highlighting my thighs, thick thighs even more. And in the left hand side, you see I am wearing a palazzo which has a good print, okay. So always buy something that has prints other than lines. Always buy a jeans which is darker in color. In the right hand side, you'll see that I'm wearing a jeans which is darker in shade plus high waisted, whereas in the left hand side, you'll see that I'm wearing a medium rise jeans which is lighter in shade. Okay, both of these combinations are not good. Always buy a jeans with darker shade and high waist. Now in the left hand side, you see that the jeans that I'm wearing is not very lighter in shade, plus it's high waisted. But the problem here is this is ankle length. Always go for the jeans which is full length, high waisted and darker shade. The problem with ankle length is it makes you look shorter and fatter. Always prefer jeans over jeggings because jeggings fail to give you that perfect shape, whereas jeans definitely hide a bit of your tummy area plus give you that perfect curve. You can see jeggings fail to give you that perfect curvy hip area.
That was it, guys. These were the 5 tips and tricks that I came up with my experience. If you go to my Insta page, you'll see that my pictures will not make you think that I'm fatter or I'm curvier, okay? Because I wear clothes in such a manner that does not make me look fatter. That's why I get a lot of comments that you do not look fatter at all. Please don't hype it or something or stuff like that. So if I tell you my height is 5'6" and my weight is 66 kgs, which definitely explains that I'm fat. Okay, so I hope these tips and tricks will definitely help you also, and if you like this video, please do share with your friends and family so that it is going to help all of us. Okay, and next Sunday 9 PM I'll come up with part 2. Please hit that bell icon for the notification so you do not miss any of my videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.